Good morning, sir and madam. My name is Vishakha Mahadev. Subject Operational Research. Topic Assignment Problem. Assignment problem. Assignment problem is a special type of linear problem which is deal the with the locally in of the various resources to the various activity on one to one basis. It does it in such a way that the cost or time involved in the process in minimum and profit or sale in sale is maximum. Those those the those their problems can be solved by the simplex method or by the transportation method, but the assignment module gives us simple approach for this problem. In a factory of supervision by have 6 workers available in 6 jobs for job to fair. He will have to take decision regarding those which job should be given in which worker. Problem form on the problem forms one to one basis. This is an assignment problem. An assignment problem is a particular cases the transportation problem where the sub object in the assess a number or a resources to an equal number of activity so as to minimum total cost or maximum total profit are allocated. The problem of assignment arises become available of resources such as a man, machinery, etc. have a varying diagrams of efficiency for performing the different activity. Therefore, the cost, profit, or loss of performing the different activity is different. Thus, the problem is how should the assignment be made so as to optimize the given object. Some of the problems where the assignment technology may be useful are assignment of workers to machines, salesmen, or different sales areas. Mathematical formulas of their assignment problem. Mathematical and assignment problem can be started in the following means of cost. Hungarian method for solving assignment problems. The Hungarian method of assignment provide us with an effective methods of finding the optimum solution without having to make a different solution. It works on the principle of the reduce the given cost matrix to the matrix of opportunity cost. Opportunity cost shows the relative across with the assessing resources to an activity as to make the best or least cost of assignment. If you can reduce the cost of matrix to the extent have at the least on 0 in each row and column, it will be possible to make the optimum assignment. Hungarian method can be summarized in following step. Step 1. Develop the develop the cost of table following given problems. Second, find the optimum cost of table. Third, make assignment in the optimum cost of matrix. Fourth, optimum optimal synchronization. Fifth, revise the optimum cost table. And six, develop a new resolved cost table. And seventh, reset the step of 3 to 6 unit in optimum solution. The follow chart of step of Hungarian method solving and assignment problems. Example: first, in a computing, after the student carefully, there are the three expert programs in the computers. Assignment: assess the programming to the programs in such way the table computing time in minimum. First step: in minimum table evaluate in row 1 2 3 is 80 80 and 110 rupees. Substitute the evaluated the following row. First table, then second table, third step, fourth table, and this is the solution of assignment problem. Unbalanced assignment problem. In assignment problems, it should be to be unbalanced if you cost at max price. It not be super at the one row and the no of column are not equal. To make balance, to add dummy row and dummy column with all the entries are 0. Second example, solution, first and second step, third and fourth step, fifth step, sixth step, and the final answer. Thank you.